to Racecon Network. Today I'm just going to be doing some rips in the Camaro. Fenders are getting rolled tomorrow for the BMW, so that's on a little bit on a hold. Sorry I haven't been dropping videos. It's been absolutely freezing outside. Yeah, I don't know why, but I guess everyone on the East Coast, other than like Florida and the southern states, would know that it's been like 30 degrees up here, so it's been terrible. I don't know why. It's in May. It was snowing in Maryland the other day. It's like, what the hell is going on? But give you guys a little cold start. Let's get on the road. Alright guys, so I did want to mention this. Look at how much faster, or I don't know, I guess if you guys have BMWs, comment down below. How fast does your car heat up? Because my BMW for some reason heats up super slow. And I mean like super slow. And the Camaro, like I literally just left my street and it's already like getting there. The BMW, on the other hand, would probably still be cold until I like arrived at the E85 gas station, which is like far away. I don't know if that has anything to do with the turbos or what, but yeah, just comment down below if you know why BMWs heat up so much slower than the Camaros. Thanks. I don't know if you guys can see this. Look at this dude's license plate. It's a Euro tag, and it says COVID-19. It's kind of funny to me. Oh shit. Alright, well, we're gonna pull up to the E station real quick. We're really close, and then we're gonna get some shots for you guys. Of course. I bet. God! Race car! I think it did pretty well. My wheels are not hooking at all. I'm about to throw the drag radials on sometime this week too, since it's starting to get nice out finally. I know I just told you guys it was like 30 freaking degrees here this week, so it's been like miserable, but it's finally getting nice out, so we're definitely gonna do some 6 shots with that. Yeah! Hey! My phone went flying. I know this video is going to be a little bit of a short one, but I'm going to have some dope shit coming out soon. We're going to race this car versus the BMW soon. I'm getting a fuel pump put on tomorrow, I think, and fenders rolled and injectors put on the BMW. I just got this, so like I was talking about in like a video I did before, so these cars have really crappy transmissions. Like, I mean, they're good, don't get me wrong, but like they have this really bad shudder that happens, so you got to flush the transmission fluid. And I don't know if you guys can tell in this video, but my shifts are much quicker and crisper, just due to the fact that I got it flushed. Apparently it was like black, like that color, like super dark. So I definitely needed some new fluid. So I got some new fluid in there, and I can tell you right now that, like, 1, there's no shudder, and 2, it's running like way better than it did previously. So if that is an issue you have, which a lot of the A8s do, the automatic 8, what's it called? Transmissions do, you're gonna definitely want to get that flushed ASAP, because it's a common problem, and I see transmission shudder a lot, and it makes your car feel like it's new again. I don't know how to explain it. So with mine, the transmission was so bad, my wheel would almost, or my steering wheel would almost shake, just because of the rumble from the transmission. But now it's like way crisper and it shifts so fast. Like, I don't know if you saw it in that pull, I don't know if you can see from that angle, but it shifts like at like 6,500 it shifts. And then, what's it called? Right as I shift at 6,500, it's like pinned at like 5,000 already for the next shift. So it's like, it's prime. The reason I had to let off there in the first pull is because my car kind of fishtailed like crazy, so I wasn't trying to spin out or nothing. Hey, shout out Savage Garage. Those are his tire marks from his Hellcat. I don't know if you guys saw that video, but yeah, Savage Garage did the burnout right there. It's so funny. He lives right near me, so hopefully one day I'll be able to meet him and, you know, hang out with him. One of the kids I knew back in the day actually works with him, so it's definitely possible. But all right, guys, I'm gonna head home right now. We're gonna catch you in another video. I just want to kind of give you guys a quick update on what's happening. So I'm getting the BMW work done tomorrow. I'm getting tints done. I have the, I might actually do a video tonight now that I think about it. I have side skirts for the BMW that just came in, the carbon fiber ones. And then, so I did have a splitter that I was gonna do a video on, but the splitter is for an M-type bumper. So I'm just gonna order the M-type bumper in the future. So I'm not gonna have a splitter on it initially. So that'll be a little while. But yeah, the BMW is gonna be looking super nice after I get the wrap and all the trim done. And I got the side markers coming in as well. I already have the blacked out side, what are they called, reflectors, but the side blinkers, is I'm also getting them, I have smoked ones with LEDs, so that should be pretty cool too. I'll catch you guys next video. Please smash a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and comment down below. This is a full bolt-on Camaro SS, as a lot of you guys know, OnThe 85, as you just saw in the video. So yeah, please smash that sub button, please hit that like button. We got crazy content coming out all summer long. It's finally starting to get warm, so good shit's coming shortly, guys. Peace out.